Okay, we are looking for s, and we know that from the law of indices that 9 is equal to 3 raised to power 2. So because of this, we are going to rewrite this equation and write it as 3 raised to power 2 raised to power 8 raised to power 3 plus 2x is equal to 3 raised to power 2 raised to power 7x minus 4. So, and again, we know that 8 is equal to 2 raised to power 3. So, because of this, we're going to rewrite 8 as 3 raised to power 2, then 2 raised to power 3, 3 raised to power 2 raised to power 3 raised to power 3 plus 2x is equal to 3 raised to power 2 raised to power 7s minus 4. So from here we know that 3 can multiply 3 raised to 3 plus 2s, and 2 can multiply 2 here. So let's first of all deal with the upside. We have that 3 raised to power 2 raised to power 2 raised to power 3. 3 times 3 is 9, and 3 times 2s is 6s, which is equal to 3 raised to power 2 raised to power 7s minus 4. And here we can write this as 3 raised to power 2 dot 2 times 2 raised to power 9 plus 6s. This is equal to 3 raised to power 2 raised to power 7 minus 7s minus 4. So from indices, we know that this 2 times 2, since this 2 is having 1 on top, like, you know that literally is this particular 2 that is having this power here. I shouldn't have put in this comma. This is how the equation should be. 3 raised to power 2 dot 2 raised to power 9 plus 6s. This is how the equation is equal to 3 raised to power 2 raised to power 7s minus 4. So from here now, we know that here we have imaginary 1 here. So because of the law of indices, we're going to add this 2, because 2 is multiplying 2. I'm going to add it to the exponent. So this will be 3 raised to power 2 raised to power 1 plus 9 plus 6x plus 6x. This is equal to 3 raised to power 2 raised to power 7s minus 4. And this is equal to 3 raised to power 2 raised to power 10 plus 6s is equal to 3 raised to power 2 raised to power 7s minus 4. And because the base are the same, 3 raised to power 2 raised 3 raised to power 2, so we can literally say that 10 plus 6s is equal to 7x minus 4. And this implies that 14, because you take this one, cross it over here, that is 14 is equal to, you take this one and cross over here to be s. So that is to say s is equal to 14. That's the final answer. S is equal to 14. Thank you so much. Like, share, and subscribe.